Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. My name is Meeta Jatia and I welcome you to my channel Downia Ali, where I make videos on makeup and skincare. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the link of my handle down below in the description box for you guys to check it out. Coming to today's video, it's going to be about product empties for the month of March and April. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. The first product empty that I have here with me is the micellar water, and this is the Pond's Vitamin Micellar Water infused with aloe vera. Now this is a very good product, guys. It's very gentle on the skin. It does not sting your eyes and it does a decent job in removing your makeup. This retails for ₹299 for a 250 ml bottle, and this is my second bottle, and this is how much I love this product. So if you are looking for a good micellar water, do check this out. The next product that I have here with me is my favorite, the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer infused with vitamin E. As you can see, I have used up the entire tub, and this is my third tub. And I really like this product. This is great for oily skin types. This is also great in the summer season. So if you're looking for a good affordable gel consistency moisturizer, this is the one for you. And this retails for ₹299 for 147 grams of product. Next up, I have here with me is an underarm roll-on, and this is the Rexona underarm roll-on. Such a great product, guys. It has antibacterial properties. Also, it keeps your underarms odor free all day long, and this is pretty affordable. This just retails for ₹100. Next up, I have here with me the Pilgrim Night Gel infused with retinol. Again, a very lightweight gel consistency moisturizer. This is, since it's infused with retinol, I like using this in my nighttime skincare routine. And this does a great job in keeping your skin hydrated. So a very good product. Now I have a face pack here with me, and this is from Natural Vibes. This is their charcoal face pack. This does a great job in taking care of your blackheads and whiteheads. I usually, because I have oily skin, I like using a mud pack on my face, and this does a really good job. It is extremely affordable as well. I think I picked this up on Amazon on a discount, and I just paid about ₹299 or something. So a very good product, and this I believe is a 50 gram of product for that price. So a very good face pack. Now the next up that I have here with me is a retinol serum, and this is by the Inky List. Sadly, Inky List is not available here in India, but you can get your hands on this product through a few Instagram handles. I'll leave the link down below in the description box for you guys to check it out. This is a very good retinol serum, and it does a great job in combating your dark circles, your wrinkles, and your fine lines. And this is to be used in the night time, so a very good product. Now I have another serum here with me, which is from The Ordinary. This is their salicylic acid serum. Now this took me a while to finish this product, because I like using this only as a spot treatment on my acne. And if you apply this for a couple of days, just spot correct on your acne, and you will find your acne disappearing in max 2 to 3 days. So a very good product. Now I have a vitamin C serum, and this is by Detoxy. This is a 30 ml bottle. It retails for ₹585. Again, a very good vitamin C serum. In case you guys are looking for one, do check this one out. Lastly, in serums, I have a breakout control serum by Deconstruct Skincare. Now this is a 15 ml bottle and this retails for 399 rupees. Again, a very good product. It does a great job in controlling sebum and acne production in your skin. So if you're looking for a good breakout control serum, do check this one out. Lastly, I have two makeup products here with me. Firstly, I have the Maybelline ink liner. I have the blue variant here with me. This does a decent job. I wouldn't say it's a very good eyeliner. It's a decent eyeliner. But the only problem with this eyeliner is that it dries up too fast. I've hardly got a couple of uses out of this product and it has already dried up. And that is why I have to chuck this. And now lastly, I have a lip pencil, and this is one of my favorite lip pencils. This is the Miss Claire lip pencil in number 15. A very good product. It's very creamy on the lips, and if you're looking for a good nude lip liner, this is the one for you. This is mostly out of stock. I do have a backup of this. I picked this up from Amazon, so if you do get your hands on this, grab it, guys. This is such an amazing lip liner. With this, we come to the end of the video. If you like the video, do give me a like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.